Hey guys, it's that Financial Gamer here. So, I'm just gonna show you guys, well, everybody's been asking. So, in Super Mario World, where do you where's the area to get the purple blocks? You know, to activate all the purple blocks. It's a big debate about if it's a purple block or is it a blue block. Some people say that um let me just so you guys can hear. So some people say that it's a what do you call it? Is it blue or is it purple? Because all the colors of the block's supposed to match the colors of the buttons on the SNES game or the SNES system or the Super Famicom system. So I think it all depends on your type of color, your TV, because some CRTs back then were like really, they were not really color accurate. So some of the colors were kind of weird, like different hues. So purple and blue can be a purple color on certain CRTs can turn blue, vice versa, whatever. So yeah, but what do you guys think? Looked all over the internet if there's an official color on the blocks. So, leave a comment below on what do you guys think? Is it purple or is it blue? I don't know. So, or back then when you played this game, what colors did you see? It's kind of like that Bernstein bear kind of thing. Bernstein. Okay, but anyways, let's go. So again, this is how you activate the purple blocks. So you go to Forest of Illusion right here. All right. See, I already activated it, but I'm just gonna show you guys where. See right there. But you gotta pass this level, and you gotta get the key to exit out, so you can get to this level right here. So I'm just gonna show you guys where it is. Already got the green one there activated. That's weird because it's only the green and the yellow blocks that have powers. The red one and the purple or blue one don't have powers. They're just blocks. So I think maybe the developers were gonna put a power up for those two other blocks, but they probably decided, oh no, this game is too easy. We don't want any more powers except flower and the cape. But I don't know. I mean, what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like on what did you guys think, or what would you want on the other red or purple blue blocks? Like what kind of powers would you want to put in there? Or the developer should have put in there. So leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's see. So you go here, just play the the exit is at the main end of this level. So keep going here. Let's pass these. Okay, so right here. So when you see this area right here with the yellow blocks, see how like kind of this area you can see that you can walk through, or it looks like there's an area that you can't, but just because that there's a wall there that some people get fooled that, oh, I can't go through there, I'll skip that. But actually, look, you can walk through. And there it is, guys. There's the key. I don't know if this works. Let's see. Oh, no, it doesn't. But yeah, that's how you activate it, guys. So you go here, and boom. And that should activate this level to activate the blue switch. Well, it says blue right there. Blue Switch Palace. So no, so it's confirmed that it's blue, but again, like it's purple on some TVs or some whatever. So I don't know, but some people thought it was blue or purple. Like again, it's like that Bernstein bear effect thing. I don't know, but right there, it's confirmed. Blue Switch Palace. So don't forget, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope this educated you on how to activate the blue switch palace, uh, so you could activate the blue blocks. Anyways, leave a comment below on what you guys think. Did you guys find it, and do you think it's blue or purple, and what kind of powers should have been on these blocks, the red one or the blue one? All right. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and anything else. Right? Help me on the algorithm. Okay, guys. See you next time.